The Realme Note 14X is an impressive mid-range smartphone that brings together advanced features and practical durability, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. It sports a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and vibrant visuals, perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday tasks. Powered by the efficient MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, the device delivers seamless multitasking and a lag-free experience even with demanding applications. Its standout feature is the robust 6000 mAh battery, which supports 45W fast charging, offering extended usage time with minimal interruptions for charging. Additionally, the Realme Note 14X is IP69 certified, providing excellent resistance to dust and water, making it a reliable companion for users with an active lifestyle or those in challenging environments. On the camera front, the device is equipped with a capable dual rear camera setup featuring a 50MP main sensor, complemented by an additional secondary sensor to enhance versatility in photography. The 8MP front camera ensures decent selfies and video calls. The sleek and stylish design is available in 3 stunning color options: crystal black, golden glow, and jewel red, appealing to users who value aesthetics as much as performance. With its competitive pricing and well-rounded features, including its excellent durability, large battery capacity, and solid performance, the Realme Note 14X sets a new standard for value in the mid-range smartphone market. It is expected to be a strong contender for those seeking a feature-packed device without breaking the bank.